The first step to starting a garden is sowing seeds. To sow the seeds, you'll need some potting mix or seedling mix. It is important to use these lighter soils as it will be easier for the seeds to push through. On the back of most seed packets, there should be many useful details, such as seed depth, what time of the year to plant, and how much sunlight it requires. Starting seeds indoors gives you a head start and time to prepare the planting area. You can also sow seeds directly into the garden, but when sowing seeds directly, there is a risk of pests, such as rats, consuming the seeds, or if the soil is too wet and cold, the seeds will often not germinate. But some seeds like carrots, it is best to plant directly into the ground, as transplanting can damage the main roots, which is the root we eat. When sowing seeds, whether direct or from transplant, it is always a good idea to plant more seeds than you need, because most of the time, not all of the seeds will sprout. As you can see, I'm pressing down on the soil gently. This is to make contact with the seeds, which makes them to sprout faster. After sowing, it is important to water the seeds, because if the seeds don't have moisture, they won't germinate. But when watering, make sure not to overwater, because oftentimes seeds can rot when they are watered too much, especially the bigger seeds like corn and zucchini.